Hello, good morning. Well, Pacific time. Good morning, you guys. Thank you for joining me. We're at 5 Makeover. And I have had like the craziest week and figured I would hop on and do a quick pink look before I go to the store and continue our backyard makeover. I am so excited, you guys. We have a dirt patch. Yeah, it's an actual dirt patch for a yard. And this weekend, the dirt patch is going bye-bye. So we have been having so much fun on Pinterest, like looking up ideas and like rummaging through all the stuff that my dad has because he's kind of a hoarder. Yeah, that's probably where I get a lot of it from. But hey, who's keeping track, right? But yes, that has been our focus this week. And for some reason, okay, so my mirror used to sit on top of Caden's school books and he turned them in, so I feel like my mirror is a little off. Okay, I have some dark circles because we have had such a fun week. So I just did my dark circle hack to cover them. Boom, gone. If you don't have red lip liner, a little dab of red lipstick totally works too. This is my stick because, okay, summer. Summer for me is not as crazy as when the kids are in school, but in the summer, you know, I'm always hot and sweaty and so excited for our beachfront chill to come. Hello. And, you know, I'm still out running amok, but it's so hot. I mean, yeah, my makeup stays on, which I'll, you know, show you guys the secret to that. But I just don't really, you know, sit and, like, play as much as normal, if that makes sense. Okay, so this is my stick and eyelet. And, okay, on my phone, I look super, super white, and in my mirror, I don't. So yeah, maybe have like a little lighting issue going on, but that's okay because you guys can still see. So I already did my morning skincare routine, and moisturizer is so vital. If you have dry skin, you're going to want to check out our June Summer Kudos deal because it's 30% off. You get to pick a mask. Let me know your skin type. We will go over the different masks. You get a BB cream, which is basically tinted moisturizer, gives your skin that extra drink of water it craves. And then, okay, you can tell this thing goes everywhere with me, our SPF 25 finishing powder. So we will end with that. I'm going to add a little bit of bronzer on, just to add a little color. I like to use our bronzer, kind of double as like a contour tool with our tapered blush brush. And I kind of start at the top, go right under that cheekbone, okay? And thank you guys for all of your feedback. I have a fan blowing on me, so my nose is running. I'm going to start doing, on IGTV, I've been doing short little live clips, and I'm going to be doing those here. I'm going to try and do that in the mornings. A little bit of Sisterly to add a little bit of natural pink glow. Isn't that like the best summer color? Hello, best summer color. But I know on my lives on my Facebook wall, like that's more of like a girl, like us girls hanging out and chatting, you know, while I show you guys some crazy tips and whatnot. So I am going to try and really focus on short little clip tips. So I got my base on. That takes max 2 minutes, like max, because I mean in the summer, who wants to be in a house? I sure as heck don't. Yesterday after my brother-in-law and I went to Lowe's to get inspired for backyard makeover, or shall I say Operation Dirt Patch, I went up and hung out at the pool with my girls. Now, how many of you guys don't leave home without browing? If you are a brow a brower. This is like the quickest, best product. It's our brow palette. We have light, medium, dark. I use dark because the lighter the hair, the darker the brow. You know, kind of think of that movie Friday. And you get 2 different powder colors, 2 creamy luminized highlight colors, and setting gel. So in the summer, the setting gel is bomb because, you know, you don't want your brows to run, right? I mean, brows are the archways to off faces. Bloop. Oh, and this is the brow spoolie brush. When you guys hop on, say hello so I can give you a shout out. Okay, now, here's the fun part. I love Splurge Cream Shadow. And normally I do whatever our monthly kudos is, just to show you guys different looks and tips and whatnot. And I have not done our Splurge in forever. So I wanted to play with Splurge today. Cream Shadow, pre-unique. I hated cream eyeshadow. I hated it. It would like run, and you know that nasty crease that you get? Oh my goodness. Yeah, that was like, okay, why am I wearing this again? Well, eye primer, number 1. I already put eye primer, and eye primer is like a must. Okay, and our cream shadow, it goes on creamy and dries to a powdery finish. It is waterproof, smudge-proof, me-proof, and you-proof. Yeah, see, I haven't used these in so long. I love these. These are the quickest get out the door products. And there's shimmer. We have matte. I need to reorder this because I haven't used it in like forever. And I still have some of those metallics left. We had a limited metallic line, and I still have some of those left. So, you know, if anyone is has a metallic addiction, let me know and I'll show you those colors. So I just put on Hopeful. That is part of our Defend Innocence line. And we also got Noble and Dainty. See, okay, I try and match my makeup to my shirt. I guess that I'm just like a nerd like that. But it's kind of fun. Okay, so I'm going to just put a little Noble in the corners just to kind of make my eyes look a little bit bigger and brighter. Contrast is good depending on, you know, how much time you have to, you know, put your face on in the morning. These Splurge shadows are buildable. And it's just a little oomph. Okay, maybe this is why. Okay, in my phone, I feel like that side's darker or something. I don't know. But it just adds a little extra, and I love using the cream shadow brush. And when you guys watch this, I would love to see, you know, comment. What's your favorite go-to eyeshadow? Do you like palettes? Do you like pressed shadow quads that you could customize? Or for those of you that have splurged with me, aren't they the best? They are like the bestest ever. Okay, another little quick tip is white liner. This is a mega bag must-have. How many of you guys use white liner? White liner is, oh my gosh. You know what I need to do? I have not done a live on white liner in a couple months. We need to do us a little white liner action. I call it my anti-Mombi liner. It really makes your eyes look bigger, brighter, whiter. Lost my sharpener. For me, because I have 2 heathens still living at home, it just hides the fact that I'm lacking sleep, right? Okay, let me curl my lashes real quick. And I just got another huge batch of Lash Kraken, which that is on priority shipping date. I think it might be into July now. So if you are ready to get the longest lashes of your life, let me know. Okay, so I have been playing around with different ways to apply it. And this is my favorite way. How many of you have a great eyelash and a wonky side? This side sucks. And I'm always struggling and fighting like to get this side, you know, thankfully our Steam Lash Serum has made a huge difference. But I have found if you have a wonky lash side, gently, like close your eye and gently, like do not yank your skin, please. And close your eye and do the wiggle, jiggle, twirl with one eye closed. See? And if you have a wonky side that's going through a lash growth cycle, you will still get the length and volume, and you will not be able to tell as much that you are wonky. See? Woohoo! And then, of course, there's the traditional way. Okay, so that's one coat. Yeah, I have so much lash crack in stock right now. So, wiggle, jiggle, twirl. Wiggle, jiggle, twirl. Make sure you are going super light. You know, this is not your drugstore mascara. You want to use a super light hand and make sure you pull it out slow. But you want to use a super light hand because this wand is not only amazing, it's double-sided. That's why you do that curl at the top. It is packed full of fibers. And when you use a heavy hand, you are over-fibering your lashes. Because I had a couple of you guys, which by the way, I love feedback. And if you ever struggle with anything, please let me know, because if you're not happy, I'm not happy. But a couple of you guys were like, okay, my lashes are way too heavy with the lash crack, which it's our 4D Epic. I just call it lash crack because, I mean, anytime you say the word crack, it's just funny. Like butt crack, stick crack, lash crack. Yeah. See, as I'm giggling. And it's because, you know, we get used to putting our mascara on a certain way, and when we have a product like so lash-tastically advanced like this, it is so worth figuring out like the right way and the best way that we're comfortable with to put it on. And from all my testing, okay, see now, good lash side, wonky lash side. So I'm going to do one more coat on here. Bloop. There we go. Yeah, isn't that crazy? Crazy. I was going to plug in my blow dryer, but I have fans on in my whole house because, you know, it's summer and it's hot, and I really don't want to run my air all day. And I'm scared I'm going to blow something up if I have too much stuff plugged in. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys a quick tip on how to keep your 4D Epic completely waterproof for the day. The lash crack is not labeled as waterproof. I personally have not had issues with it. But for summer, just to, you know, ensure that I still get the crazy length and volume from this awesome super rad mascara, and make sure that it is waterproof, top it with your waterproof Epic, you guys. I mean, look. And I did a live jumping in a pool last week. It does not budge, and just like all of our amazing mascara products, it comes off easily when you wash your face at night with, you know, either your shine cloths, your liquid makeup remover, your cleansing stick. You just kind of top it. And, you know, we're going camping soon, and it's going to be really freaking hot up there. And I already know, like, I hang out at the adult pool all day, and nothing's going to budge. And you see the oops I did? I could find it. I have an oops fix. Get the spoolie end on your brow brush, and what oops? See, oops be gone. That way you don't take off all your all your eye makeup. Okay, so waterproof. Okay, let me slap on my splash. And remember, with your splash, get your wand naked, please. Okay? It is so pigmented. You want a light. It's kind of hard to let up and talk. You want a light coat. And our splash are perfect for summer because they're long lasting and moisturizing. Oops. Oops. Okay. The way to set everything, so we have 3 options. We have our translucent setting powder. Okay. That will totally keep everything intact. We have our setting spray, which if you live in a humid area, you're going to want the spray. I am in Southern California. The powder does me good. But protect your face. You can tell that this thing gets beat up. This is our SPF 25 finishing powder. So you want to pump the tube. Do not do it in front of your son if you have a son. You want to pump the tube to get the powder up and reapply as needed. But the SPF 25 on your face. Come on, powder. Like, protect your skin. It's so important. It's so vital. You only have one skin, and if we don't protect it, yeah. Then we're going to look like Magda from There's Something About Mary. And this is that new limited liner we have called Pretty. Isn't it pretty? It's like a metallic-y, shimmery blue, and it looks amazing on all eye colors. Especially us brown-eyed girls, because blue is our #1 enhancing color ever. And our liquid liner is amazing. It's our Dip and Draw. Oops. And this stays on for up to 18 hours, you guys. Okay? Up to 18 hours of wear. So that's not going to budge or smudge either. So thank you for joining me with today's quickie. We're feeling pink summer vibe look. Hold on, I'm going to put a little bit thicker. Join me tonight on my Facebook wall. I don't know if you saw that really cool stacked liner look. It's like a summer 2019 top trending thingamathing. And I'm going to show you guys how fun and easy, I'm letting this dry, how fun and easy that look is to achieve. I love you guys. Have a fantastic day. And thank you for joining me. We're going to have 5 in Makeover. Bye.